In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Sync. We'll walk through how to set up Airtable's native sync feature so one base can securely send data to another. This is especially helpful when you want different teams or projects to see the same information without letting them change your original source. First, open Airtable and head to the base and table that you want to act as your source. In this example, we're using a simple example table, but you can follow along with any base you already have. Make sure you're looking at the specific view whose data you want to sync, because Airtable will only sync the records and fields that are visible in that view. Airtable Sync is a native feature designed for one-way sync between bases. That means updates flow from your source base to the destination base, but not the other way around. Any edits you make in the synced destination won't affect the original. Keep that in mind as you set this up and choose a view that reflects exactly what you want others to see. Now, in the top right corner of your Airtable interface, click on Share and Sync. This is where Airtable keeps options for sharing views and setting up syncs. In the panel that appears, look for the option that says Sync Data to Another Base, and click that. This tells Airtable that you want to turn this view into a data source for other bases. Next, you'll see a setting that says, Allow data in this view to be synced to other bases. Go ahead and click to enable that. By doing this, you're allowing Airtable to generate a secure sync source based on this view. If necessary, double-check that any sensitive fields are hidden from the view before you turn this on, because only visible fields will be shared. At this point, Airtable may highlight certain areas of the screen or show a callout explaining what's happening. Click on the highlighted area if prompted, and follow any on-screen instructions so you can confirm your choices and proceed. Now let's quickly look at where integrations and connected accounts live, since these can affect how your workspace interacts with other tools. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Integrations. This will open a page where you can manage connections to other services. In the Integrations section, click on Connected Accounts. Here, you'll see any accounts you've already linked to Airtable. There's also a section called Third-Party Integrations, which shows external tools that are authorized to access your workspace. This is useful if you're combining Airtable Sync with automations or external services. If you ever need to add a new connection, stay on the Connected Accounts area and click on Connect New Account. From here, you can follow the prompts to link a new service. While this isn't required just to use Airtable's native sync between bases, it's helpful to know where these settings live, especially if you're building a broader integration setup around your synced data. And that's the full walkthrough of using Airtable's native sync feature and where to manage your related integrations and connected accounts.